Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your employer with Glassdoor, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your employer on Glassdoor, first, visit the Glassdoor website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button and enter your email and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the sign up option. After signing in, use the search bar at the top of the page to type in your company name. Select your company from the list of search results to go to its Glassdoor profile. On the company profile page, find the section titled Company Overview. Scroll down until you see the option for Verify this employer. Click on the Verify this employer button to start the verification process. Glassdoor will prompt you to enter your work email address associated with your employer. Check your email for a verification link sent by Glassdoor. Open the email and click on the verification link. You may need to log in again to confirm your identity. After verification, you might receive a confirmation message on the website. Once verified, you will have access to additional features, including the ability to respond to reviews. This process enhances the credibility of your company profile on Glassdoor. Encourage your colleagues to verify as well for a more comprehensive company presence. Keep your company profile updated to attract potential job seekers and maintain your employer brand. Follow these steps to ensure your employer is accurately represented on Glassdoor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.